In this video, I'll show you how to fix phone call dialer change problem. If you have recently experienced, if I open up the phone application, you'll get to see that all the interface has been changed. So if you're experiencing the same problem, that the interface is completely changed, you're not getting the contact option, and whenever you are trying to call someone, it's actually showing the different interface, like the position and everything has been changed completely, then you don't need to worry about it. Because today's video I'll go ahead and show you why this problem is actually happening and how you can get it back. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So if you're suddenly experiencing that the phone dialer application is completely changed, the calling interface is completely changed, then you don't need to worry about, because this is actually a major update by the Google phone application, and after the update the interface and everything has been updated and it changed a little bit. That's why whenever you are opening the phone application, the contact option is actually missing from here. It's actually not missing. If you go to the three dot line at the top left, you'll get to see the contact option is available here. You can access to the contact right from here. And also here you get the keypad option right here. Only the two option is available, home and keypad. And also at the top you'll get to see the all missed call, contacts, and non-spam and others option are available. And from now you actually have to access to the phone dialer application like this. This is not a problem at all. This is an update, so you just need to use this as it is. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.